Welcome. This is a video in the series, How to Rumble. In this video I will show you the feature, Watch History. Open the menu at the top left of the Rumble page. Choose Watch History. On this page you can find a history of all your watched videos. Scroll down to see all the watched videos. Go back to the top of the page. Here you can sort your watched videos by video date and duration. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please give it a like and join my channel to watch more tutorials about how to Rumble. Thanks again, and if you have a question, please use the comment box here below.